Follow with me to the book of Psalm 100 verse 1. That is where I want to take my own testimony. Psalm 100 verse 1 says, make a joyful sound unto the Lord, O ye land. Serve the Lord with gladness. Come before him. Come before his presence with singing. This morning, I'm not happy, not because today is Nigeria at 56. I'm happy because I'm alive to see today being Nigeria at 56. Please celebrate God is worthy. Celebrate him. Daddy and Mommy, I thank you for this privilege, and I also thank God for having a great pastors and ministers in the house. Please help me celebrate them. Celebrate them. Oh, last Friday we'll be guests all night here. Brother James Black, they talk about that pastor. We even see cat for in house, he will carry and come preach for church. Although one and no blame man, because na that type of church we dem born now. These days, if packaging no kill our sisters dem go keep packaging. And they talk about if girl you no sabi speak English, abeg try rest. Dem go say sabi am or speak your father language. I go bank to go withdraw money. When I reach for the ATM, one girl she dress me come there, but me I don't know. But she come out. After when she come back, me I don't already dey withdraw the money. She say, excuse me please. I say, Ogbeni please keep your pride that job. As soon as we do as if on as I speak English. Where you place? I came here before you. I say sorry. Where did you went to before I came here to withdraw the money? Now she reply, you are asking me where were me, Abi? You are asking me where were me? Were me not here before you? Okay. One of my friends, that they talk about. Boys, them one and package, get money before you see bill, you go toast. One of my friends, you see girl wey like, so they wear the buy the chat card, the girl come the pass, the girl the pass. You come see the girl the waka, you go come follow the girl the chat, baby excuse me, the girl don't answer am. You see they follow the girl the chat, baby excuse me, the girl don't answer am, and the girl won't go meet the boyfriend. As the girl come reach there, the boyfriend then the gym. Now my friend comes to the chat, baby excuse me. You reach there, see the girl boyfriend, then grab her well like bouncer. You come pass, go front. Come see what woman we carry plate, come say, madam, I like this your baby. Now for me, Nigeria, one I go see say them they say abortion medicine openly, you no go know, see the code here for inside box. You go see somebody they sell medicine. I bet when I buy this medicine, they cure la they cure they come from Freud, they cure all the type of all the disease name. Nobody they answer them. Now he won't sell the medicine. He go say, I bet if you dey inside this box and you don't say yeah, no buy this medicine because if you come up you go see Nigerian girl who will tell you, bring two. I get gonorrhea, my sister get. My friend, his name na Chima. He travel go London for 2 weeks, come back for Lagos. So anybody wey see go dey shout shey nigga what? Hey, how you doing? In it, come meet one of your old time friend. Their two come meet, come shake, come say, hey guy, how you doing? You know when we are in London, you just say in it. Hala, he come waka like this, go back. Come mistakenly match one first man. As he thought the first man come say, hi, waiting they worry you. Now the guy reply, hey, you don't say that. Say when we are in London, you say in it, or please pull over. They are booking man wey be army. Come say, hi, waiting they worry me. If I know come out here before the captain of 3, I go slap me. The guy say, that is against human rights. What I say, because she nigga, what's the army man slap him. If mama wey dey for village for market. They selfish. Now she comes out, hey whoa, child. The other different house say wetin happen. She say, my sister, they don't slap my pikin for Lagos. See, when they crucify Jesus, for that their side, then they shout, kill him. Some people they shout, if you know that you are the son of God, come down from the cross. Now I can't imagine say if not for Nigeria where that thing happen. Some people go they shout, kill him. Some people go they shout, if you don't say the God son, come down from the cross. Now Jesus will come out the hand from the neck. Boom. You go come out this one from the neck. Boom. You go come waka go front. If you like something they want you to head of it, I think that because I won't die for you, they do that nonsense. In fact, if I die for you, they make her die. On another severe rich man they pray. They give me joy well. You go just say, Lord, I bless your name. I thank you for this new lessons that is coming by next week. Thank you, Lord, for the 1 million naira contract that I'm about to pursue. You go on the spinning down. You go finish there. But even as if you are poor man, they speak in tongues. If they be like generator, we no good. On a When you want finish am, I dey have. That one go for speaking in tongue. He no finish here. He go come shout, "Oh Lord, settle me for wetin you have to do business." He no finish here. He get one wey dem dey like to do. Somebody go say, "God bless you." He greet us in the morning, tell you God bless you. Greet us in the afternoon, he go tell you God bless you. And then they answer that thing again. Why? Because the last time when I wan go write WAEC, somebody tell me God bless you. When I go write the WAEC come out, when my results come out, I get Y3 for maths. Alright, I'll stop here. I don't have more time. Oh, please, my episode 4 on how to break minds comedy will be coming out today. If you're on social media, join us on Facebook, join us on YouTube, and as well you can follow us on Grace TV on CTR. Thank you.